unearthed a series of deeply troubling incidents. There was widespread destruction of critical government infrastructure, such as Kikuyu law courts, Kikuyu government offices, and multiple police stations, including Olkalau Police Station, Dagoretti, Gajui Police Post, and Kamukunji Police Station, amongst others. Several firearms and police equipment were stolen during these attacks, and disturbingly, some of these weapons have already been used in violent robberies last night within Naivasha Police Station area. The G3 rifle that was stolen from Kikuyu Police Station was used in the commission of violent robberies within Naivasha Police Station. A grenade launcher, 4 guns, and other police equipment, including uniforms and anti-riot gear stolen, have so far been recovered, and the perpetrators